Hey, marafiki wa sanaa, karibuni sana Nafasi Art Space.
Welkom naar Nafasi.
Welcome to Nafasi Art Space.
Welcome to Nafasi.
Welcome to Nafasi.
Karibu Nafasi.
Welcome to Nafasi Art Space.
A lot of artists in Tanzania don't have formal education in contemporary art and struggle to make a living off of their work. And so Nafasi bridges that gap by offering and helping artists develop their skills through education and practical application.
We organize trainings, workshops, and residencies to curate an environment for artists to freely share their voices and explore their talents.
Our organization is growing and we are building new infrastructures to support our community and partners as well as those to come. Here's what we have so far.
Our academy space, in which artists have access to technical and conceptual trainings.
A networking hub, fostering collaboration, joint and individual inspiration.
And our digital media lab, to enable Tanzanian artists to connect with the rest of the world.
Nafasi is important because of the role it plays in immersing creators into the world of art and commerce, encouraging community, partnership, and artistic development.
And this is where you come in. We have already raised $4,500 for our new academy and networking space. We invite you to contribute to the future of Nafasi.
We have successfully created everything you see here with just 25%.
Imagine what we can do with the remaining 75.
Be a part of building the foundation for the future of Tanzania's contemporary art scene.
Asante sana na karibu Nafasi!